She's the Crap Goth. My name is Pixie and welcome to my channel of randomness where you never know what you're gonna get. Today you guys have been awesome again and you've sent me some stuff to open. So let's see what there is. Hello people! So, oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for sending stuff to me. This is really exciting. I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to jump straight in because I'm going to try and make this a mini video because I've got lots to do today. This is my third unboxing video today. I'm on a roll. Okay, so first of all, I have got a brain farted, well, an Amazon parcel, which is great. This is coming to the Crap Goth, my home address. So thank you guys so much. I've been really excited to open this. I'm really far behind parcels, so I know some of you were messaging me saying, we've sent you a parcel back in December, you've not opened it yet. Honestly, I've been so ill. I'm just getting back on it now, so massive apologies. Bear with me, they're all coming up. Okay, so first of all, we have a note. Yay! This is a gift from Debs, Tiggy and Gus. Hello, they're my friends from the UK. Debs and her kitty cat. So thank you so much, Debs. You're an absolute legend. This is, oh my goodness, straight away, it's star paper. So I have started to make paper stars, which I absolutely love to do. I'm not overly good at it yet, but oh my gosh, some people have also contacted me asking me for a tutorial. I am not that good to do that. So what I'll do is I will link up in the description of this video the tutorial which I watched, which is another YouTuber, and it's really good. It's cool. Thank you for the star paper. Debs also, in a previous unboxing a couple of days ago, sent me the storage to keep all my paper stars in as well. So thank you so much. If you guys want to learn how to do it, check out the link in the description. And also, Amazon, type in paper star crafts, paper star paper, and I'll bring up this stuff, which is amazing. Thank you so much, Debs, you legend. I should be having lots now to keep me going. Thank you. Okay, there is another one. This is really intriguing because it's frigging huge. Okay, this really big package, which doesn't weigh anything, has come to the Crap Goth as well, to my home address. So yeah, not quite sure what this is, but it's huge. I know Amazon are renowned for putting the smallest things in the biggest packages, but this is actually the length of the package. Gotta love a big package, don't you? Okay, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Ah, is there any notes in there? Hang on. No, I just think I just showed my address and I have to blur that one out as well. Okay, there's no notes in there that I can see, but this is a camping mat and it's pink. So yes, we are going to be going on camping like expeditions over the summer. My anxiety is awful, so I don't risk booking a holiday somewhere in case we lose a massive deposit and anything. So we're going to try camping, take our Sarah camping because she's not really done it before. And yeah, starting to get things in, which is so cool. So yay, this is a pink camping mat, which is awesome. This says it's waterproof, EVA camping mat. Lightweight, durable comfort, wipe clean, keeps cold and damp away from the body, insulates and protects. Sleeping bags, ideal for camping, fishing, festivals and exercise. Last one I'm particularly allergic to. So thank you so much. This is awesome. If you have sent anything and you don't see your name on it, because I know it's not always possible to send things like notes and stuff, pop a comment down below so I can say thank you. It's always lovely to say thank you to you all and also to read your comments as well. So thank you so much. Oh, while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you get notified every time a video goes up, which is roughly every 3 days or so. Unless I do something really cool, in which case I want you to see it now. So I'll put it up straight away, because that's how I roll. Okay, so the next one is this really cute little package. Now this has come to the PO box, which is cool, and I like it because, oh my god, it says Kawaii Pen Shop. Oh my god, that is so cute. Somebody said, oh my gosh, somebody sent me a message to say that they'd sent something through the PO box and it was Kawaii. Was it Amy Kim? Now, I can't remember, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look back through my messages and hopefully there might be a note in this, but if there isn't, I will pop the name on the screen as soon as I find out who it is. And on the off chance I still don't, I will put it in the description when I do, I promise. So, oh my gosh, I have a feeling it's Amy, but I don't know. So I will have a look what's inside. Oh my gosh, let's have a look. It's so exciting, isn't it? Oh my goodness. I love anything to do with kawaii, which is incredible. Kawaii is the Japanese word for cute, in case you didn't know. Oh my goodness me. Oh wow. There is so much in this parcel. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. There's still more in there. Oh wow. There is so much. Okay, I'm gonna check this one out. First of all, gotta say, this is micro bricks and it is KORI. I love KORI. I love all of Sanrio. I just think they're absolutely amazing. This is amazing. How many are there? It's age 14 plus, not quite sure how many blocks are in there, but that is going to be cool. I'll have to make this on a YouTube video on my table, which would be awesome. Thank you so much. Yay. Love crafts, love Sanrio, love baking videos. Win-win. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I think it's all like KORI related because I can see lots of purple. This one here is, again, it's KORI and it's like little note paper. I think it might be sticky note paper. Also on the back, look, it makes some kind of pop-up display, which again is so flipping cute, and I will use this on my desk, like everything, my chair, everything. There's lots and lots and lots of Sanrio. There's my little boy KORI down there. Not him, obviously, his picture. But yeah, this is so lovely. Thank you so much. Right, I'm going to pick the rest of them up now. There's loads in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at all these things. So we have some stickers, some KORI stickers. If you haven't guessed, KORI is one of my favourite characters. In fact, my studio is pretty much purple. There's a lot of pink in here, but I do love KORI. So there we go. We've got some KORI stickers there. And oh my gosh, absolutely so cute. Adorable. Thank you. Put that one on there and I'll use them in my diary. There is a little keyring again. It's KORI. There are a couple of colours of KORI. There's like a light purple and there's the black. So, oh my gosh, I think both of them are gorgeous. And that is absolutely gorgeous. That'd be perfect for my car keys. So thank you so much for that. There, I'm going to put them on my keys when I finish filming. We have a package. Okay, right. You might hear giggling coming from next door because my husband, it's the weekend, so he's off work, and my little girl, Ostara, is in there with her daddy watching telly in his office. So she's giggling. I can hear her giggling. I don't know if you guys will pick up on it, actually. Right, okay, so we have some, oh my gosh, they're like shiny stickers. This says KORI. KORI is always in style. I don't know if you can see, there's like a shimmer on these. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh. Look, and it even comes with like a kind of envelope to store them in, which I really love. And then we've got a Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness, they are so cool. Look. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. Again, they come in like a little pop-up folder. You can put them in. They are beautiful. I love stationery. I love stickers. And I love Sanrio. Thank you so much. Okay. Got 3 more items on here. So, oh, 4 items. So this one here is a set of KORI pens, which are perfect. I'll use these for my diary. I carry a pen in my bag, one with my diary, one downstairs. And oh my gosh, I'm sure my little girl, Ostara, would probably pinch one of these as well. But they are adorable. Thank you so much. I'm proper smiling because I love it. There is also a little KORI pencil case, which is so cute. And this is a zip up one, really pretty. Now, may not use this for pens, but I can use this for like taking my my meds out with me, or my money even, or like a little mini wash bag when I go to Harry Potter with my friend Cherry, which I do like pretty much every year. Don't know if I'm going this year though, but this is cool. Look, it's a lovely little zip up bag. And it's waterproof, which is cool as well. It's, oh my gosh, that's quite spacious. So pretty. Oh, and it's got cherry blossom and things on it as well, which is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I have cherry blossom tattoos, actually. I have a big one going all the way up my arm. Oh, I've got quite a hard top on, but like, it goes all the way up and all the way round. And yeah, and it goes all the way up onto my shoulders. Like, I love Japanese cherry blossom. So thank you so much. Okay, we also have some Sanrio friends. Okay, so we have, who have we got here? We've got, that's My Melody. That is Cinema Roll. Looks like KORI, Pom Pom Purin. Who's that? I can't see on the corner. Oh, that was Pikachu, I think. And Hello Kitty. Yay! Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you again so much. I love them. They're so pretty. And lastly, we have this. And it's, I think I can see a Hello Kitty face on it, but I have no clue what it is. Where's my scissors? I'll be very careful with this as well. Thank you for doing this. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I think it might be a purse or a wallet, because purses for us are the little ones with money, not big bags. So, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. This looks so pretty. Oh, I love this. It is. It's a new purse. I really wanted a new purse. Oh my gosh. So, Oh my God, it's adorable. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh, there's little Demontes and everything in it. That is adorable. Oh, it's got a little clasp as well. Oh, look. It's like a little, oh, I think that's like a little moisture catcher. There we go. Oh, that is adorable. It says Hello Kitty 50th anniversary. I've been collecting the Hello Kitty 50th anniversary Funko Pops and all sorts, and little characters. Oh my goodness. And it's got a little wallet thing inside as well for my cards and stuff. Look. That is probably the cutest purse I've ever seen in my life. Oh, I adore it. Thank you so much to whoever sent that. Like I said, hopefully the name will be on the screen. I've got such a brain fart going on today, but thank you. That was all gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you. Okay, we've got 2 more items to open, I think. So 2. Yes, this is a 2. Oh no, it might be 1. 2, possibly. I'm not quite sure. I have to have a look. This is one of them here. Okay, and this has come to Pixie, which is obviously me, and it says to Little Omelette. And obviously it's come to the PO box. So Omelette is my chicken. I had a few chickens, but unfortunately we lost quite a lot when the big storms hit. And we have 1 chicken left, but I am about to do a mass adoption of battery hens, ex-battery hens, which are going to be rescued chickens from really horrible living conditions. And we're setting up the huge enclosures now. They will all be registered and everything properly. But yes, I have had this item for Omelette. So my chicken has got some fan mail, which is really cool. And this is, oh, I've got to be careful because this is sticking through the top of the box. Now, I did have someone say to me that they've sent something for my chicken. Sometimes it's Carrie-Anne, but I'm sure there was one from Madeline. Or Madeline, I'm not sure how you say your name, I'm so sorry. I will check and put the name on the screen because, again, I'm so scatterbrained today. But this is one of these, basically. I'm not going to actually take it out, but you can see the top of it there, look. There we go. This is a chick heater, which is really, really cool. So this is an infrared traditional lamp, and it's an aluminium shade with a 1.5 meter suspension chain, and this is really, really cool. So basically, this is, if we adopt baby chickens, which we don't always do, we have done before, then it means that we can put them under heat until they're old enough to be able to go outside, which is obviously not very often. Don't use heat lamps in your coops because it is not safe. It's a gigantic fire hazard. So try and keep your chicks indoors with you if you can. Like, you know, please don't use anything like bulb related and heat related, anything like any chicken coops. It just is not worth the fire risk. But these are fantastic. We've actually reared some geese, some baby geese, and we used a heat lamp them as well. In fact, if you go back through my YouTube shorts, it should be under a TikTok and it's come up as a YouTube short. You'll see my little tiny geese, which turned out to be gigantic anarchist geese, which kept jumping on the flipping conservatory next door, running across the garage roof, and in the end we had to rehome them because we have 10-foot walls around our house and they were still managing to get out. Little shits. So yeah, thank you so much for that, because that is fantastic, and that helps us to help animals if they come in and are in need, including wild birds, which people bring us wildlife of all different. They knock on our door and just go, we've got this, Pixie, and we take it in. We just take all kinds of wildlife in. So thank you so much. That is absolutely fantastic, and we will definitely have a look at that. Okay, and we've got, so this is the last item for today, and this is a little Amazon parcel it's come to the crap Goth to my home address. So no idea what it is, and it's really exciting. Okay, this is, oh wow, okay, we have got a note straight away. It's attached to the, there we go. It's a bit ripped, but I'll still save it. There we go. Okay, this says, a gift for you. Let's make this year count, from Tanya Gupta. That's a new name I've never heard of. Thank you so much, Tanya. Okay, what have we got here then? I have got, oh my goodness. Oh, well, so this is actually something that was on the Amazon wish list. This is called The Gown, and this is a short story. It's by Emily Autumn. Oh my God, I love Emily Autumn so much. Oh, absolutely fantastic. I actually have another one of her books as well, but she's an amazing, she's an amazing musician as well. This says, a young woman is driven to madness by the reoccurring appearance of a hospital gown that first traumatised her as a child. By the author of The Asylum, for Wayward Victorian Girls, which is the one that I've got. The Gown is a chilling example of how a seemingly innocuous event can tragically erode the psyche of a sensitive child. This looks amazing. Thank you so much, Tanya. That is absolutely incredible. And thank you for sending something. It's lovely to hear a new name, so thank you. And that is the end of the video. This is my third video of today, so I'm a little bit stuttery. I get super excited. And just a huge thank you to everybody for supporting this channel across all the different platforms, which is absolutely incredible. Thank you for the comments and for sending things in to me, which is lovely. If you guys do actually want to write in, send postcards, send things for charity, please do look in the description of every single one of my videos. We do have a PO box there. We also do have an Amazon wish list to help other people and kids in hospitals and all sorts. So thank you all so much, you absolute legends. Also, can you please check out Crack in the Box, which is my little boy's YouTube channel, which I also run for him at the moment. We do a lot of good on there as well. Thank you all for being here. You're all awesome. I love you. I'll see you all super soon. Bye.